Alright, let's speedrun a NinjaTrader tutorial. Log in, obviously. The first thing you're going to get is this account screen. Basically everything is done from here. You're going to have an account with your actual money in it, and you're going to get a SIM account. If you want to customize that SIM account, we're going to right click, edit account. In here you can change the size of the account, and in here you can change the commission structure in there so that it's accurate and reflective of what trading with real money is like. Once you do that, you press reset, yes, okay. Now from here we go to workspaces, new. Name it, FARD, and okay. Let's go to new and then open a chart. And we'll just make this full screen for now. Now let's put in a chart for NASDAQ. So we go here, we trade this one. Now let's set it up as loading the past 10 days on a 1 minute chart. Okay, it's already set there. Days to load, 10. Let's say we want our down bars to be not so red. So we'll change it to orange. And then let's make the up candles dark green. Whatever. You can do whatever you want. Now, when you take a trade, it's going to plot those executions on the chart, text and marker. If you don't want that text over your screen, but you do want to see where you entered and exited, change that to marker, change that to markers only, and okay. So now we have this. I'm going to double click it and make it full screen. Now, if you don't like those vertical lines, because I don't know, we're going to right click. We can also do Control T to open up properties. We're going to go to lines, vertical, and we're going to turn that off. And when we click apply, you can see it while keeping this open. Normally you just press OK, but since I want to show you some other things, we'll just click apply for now. Now let's say you want to set it to a different background color. Let's do that one. Oh, flashbang. All right, let's never do that again and go back. If you want to zoom in a little bit, you click and drag on this part of the chart. And if you want this to go more, you click and drag like that. When you want it to reset, you click the F up there. Or you double click. Just kidding, that does not do anything. Click F. All right, now let's trade on the chart. So we go up here, chart trader. Boom, you choose which account you want it to be set to. This is an evaluation account through Trade Day. They're the only firm I support for a plethora of reasons you can read about in the description if you'd like to trade with someone else's money. And it supports me a lot. All right, the ATM strategy. This is where it gets pretty cool. Let's make a custom one. Now these units are in ticks. There's 4 ticks and 1 point. Let's make a 5-point stop loss. So 5 times 4 is 20, and a 10-point take profit. So 40. In the stop strategy, this is where you can set stuff to trail an in-profit trade or make it so it goes to break even if you're a certain amount of points in profit or whatever. Go to NinjaTrader's YouTube channel to learn more about that. They have good tutorials. So we will save that as a template and you can call it whatever you want. Now it's currently Saturday, so if I click buy, those brackets won't show up, but on the screen now is what it looks like when you use an ATM order. You can notice that you move the stop loss and take profit directly on the chart. If price hits those levels, the trade closes and all of the different order types get closed. Let's say you want to use some indicators. You can either right click and go to indicators, or you can do Control I. You can add whatever you want here, but I want to show you the drawing tools because lots of people like to make lines on the chart. Add. Here under drawing tools, you can select which ones you would like. Let's just do OK. And now you have all of these things. All of these different tools. Okay, if you have a lot and you want to get rid of all of them, right click. Drawing tools. Remove all drawing objects. Yes. On this button here, you can add another chart and then it switches between tabs like a spreadsheet. Or you can open up a new chart and we'll do that in a sec. If you go up here to chart style, this is where you can change everything, the candle types, and blah, blah, blah. Up here, you can change it to whatever you want. And if you click configure, you can add in the minutes that you want, the seconds that you want, ticks, days, weeks, you got it. I'll say you want a 6-second chart. You just click add. You would put 6 in here and then okay. And from there, you can move these to wherever you want them. Now let's say you want to add another chart. Maybe you want something that's higher time frame. So let's just make this the top half of the monitor. Like that. And then we'll go back to our control center, new chart. Let's make this NASDAQ and let's make it a 4,000 tick chart. Okay. Now personally, I think this looks awful, but that's because I'm recording this on a standard sized monitor. I actually trade on an ultra wide and then have a chart up on an entirely different monitor, but we're just doing this for show, whatever. Okay. Now let's link these. I'm going to go up here. In that little box, click link all. You notice all these different colors. If you have a ton of things open, you could link specific ones like 2 and 2, 3 and 3, whatever. So notice that when I go to MES, it changes this one as well. Okay, and remember, we need to save FARD. And when you close NinjaTrader, you close it from the control center. It'll always ask you if you want to save. You click yes, and everything will open as it was when you reopen NinjaTrader. Okay, now I'll show you my setup, and I'm going to switch this recording to what I see. So this is gonna look awful. Okay, I've fit this in the best way I could. So, workspaces, now I'll load mine. Okay, this is the layout that I choose. I have a daily chart up here, I have a higher time frame chart up here, and I trade off of a 20-second chart. On the right monitor, I do a separate recording of that every morning so I can practice trading later. Okay, that's pretty much all the stuff that you need to get started, and then you can explore from there. I just wanted this to be simple and fast, save you time. So I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to trade with a prop firm, check out the description below. And happy trading, everybody.